Today's the day. This is always one of my favorite videos. We're doing the spring front porch. Now, about an hour ago, it was super sunny out here and now some clouds have rolled in. We're just gonna go right ahead and do it anyway. Let's get started. So I'm in here getting ready to head out to the front porch. You guys know I've all been on a skincare journey. My esthetician is always telling me about the benefits of red light therapy. Well, I found a way to do it all from the comfort of my own home. This is the FAQ 202 by Foreo. This is the next generation LED face mask. This is super lightweight. It's completely rechargeable, wireless, and it has this amazing silicone that molds to any face. So it's super easy to wear around. One of my favorite things to do is like here in the morning when I'm getting ready before I put my makeup on, like right now, I can put this on, make my bed, even make my morning coffee, or even sometimes in the afternoon. I love to lay here, enjoy a little bit of self-care time and play on my phone, read a book. It's truly helping me to, dive into those areas that I'm really wanting to fix, like reducing my fine lines, evening out my skin tone. And I love that I can do it all right here. What makes this mask stand out is it has 8 different LED wavelengths, including the NIR, which is near infrared light. This helps tackle signs of aging, reduces wrinkles, minimizes pores, and evens out your skin tone. It also boosts your skin's natural healing process, so it's gonna leave your skin smoother, softer, and more radiant. If you're ready to take your skincare to the next level, now is the perfect time because I have an exclusive 30% off discount. This doesn't happen often. So click the link down in the description box and use my special code to get my 30% off site-wide. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Look at this gorgeous wreath that's shaped to look like a carrot. It's got these really pretty little orange tulips that come down in the shape of a carrot. Nice little fluffy top. It's got little ribbon. Yes, I went big again. After watching my own videos from a few years ago of wreaths on the front door, I loved that wreath that was by Grandin Road, the white one. And so I went back on there and I found this one and I'm like, I have to get it. So we're gonna start with this on the front door and it's gonna kind of set the theme. I want my theme this year to be kind of like a spring market, a farmer's market. And you'll kind of see where I'm going with this as we're decorating along. All right, next up, I found this beautiful rug through Better Homes and Gardens through Walmart, and it's just like a really big, pretty outdoor rug. It's got greens in it. I really wanted to bring in just that. I don't know, when I think of like a spring market, a farmer's market, I think of greens, and then I think of florals, and I think of fruit, and I think of like farm animals. And so that's kind of what I was thinking of for today. Then for our little step rug, I'm going to use this one. I found this one on Amazon, and what I liked about it is I really thought that this part was unique, but I liked that it didn't have color in it because we're going to have a lot of color out here, and I really wanted the wording to stand out, and you'll see what I mean here in just a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna place my planters here right now, but I have something that's going in them that is gonna be a fun DIY that is going to save us so much money. But I'm gonna finish the rest of this and we're gonna come back to this, but I'm setting these here kind of as like my placeholder. So then that way, nothing that I put over here in this corner, encroaches on this. So I'll set these on both sides and then we'll keep decorating and we're gonna come back and we're gonna make a really cute DIY. I have to give a big shout out to my local grocery store, Price Chopper, for having these beautiful flowers. How awesome is that? They come on this little stand and they're almost like a paper mache, but I don't know, I honestly can't tell you exactly what it's made out of, but I know they're gorgeous. And I went online to try and find some. I was like, I have got to find these for you guys because they're just so unique. And holy manoli, you know how you take a picture and you put it into Google, like reverse image to see? I was finding them on like Alibaba for like $200. I paid $25. So I'm like, what? I could not find them anywhere. So if you have like a local cute little decor store, or your grocery store has beautiful, you know, displays in their floral section, snatch them up, because I have no idea why they were so expensive online. But I love this picture. It says fresh honey from farm to table, which of course goes with our little farmer's market theme. I'm gonna put it up over here on the wall. I think I'm gonna hang it with this ribbon and just make it easy with a nail that I already have up here. Okay, I have one more of those pictures that says be kind. It's so cute. I think I'm going to hang it right there next to the door, so they'll kind of be like that. But we'll hang it, and then if it ends up looking like it's too much, you know, we can always rearrange. Everyone, meet some pig. I was gonna name it Charlotte, but I mean, how cute is this for our farmer's market? He's gonna sit back here amongst the flowers. He's got these adorable little buckets on each side, and I'm gonna put some little faux flowers coming out of the top. Oh my goodness. I think it would be so cute to make him look like he's amongst the wildflowers. Oh, that's cute. Oh yeah. Okay, we gotta get to this little guy right here because I gotta show you what we're gonna make. Okay, this DIY is gonna be so easy and so fun, and I have two different ways that you can do this. So I went to Michael's and I got 2 of the round spears, you know, like the foam balls. They were on sale and I had a coupon, so it was a great deal. Then I also picked up, this is the Instant Green All-Purpose Moss Mat. They sell this at Michael's. It was on sale also, and so I had originally thought about making bunny topiaries because they are like over $100 a piece. And I'm like, oh my goodness, we can make that for so much less. But I have a little bit of another idea. I am going to show you how to do the bunny one, but bunnies get overplayed for spring decor. And so I saw something at my local store that I think I'm going to have coming out of the top of my topiary instead of a bunny. And so we're going to see. That's the best part about decorating. You can change your mind and you can fix things. So anyway, all I'm gonna do is cut this to the right length and then glue this around here and make my own little topiaries. And I have a little dowel rod that I'm just gonna put through both of them so they stick together, and then they're gonna go in the pot, and then I'll show you what we're gonna do. And I'm doing this outside because this moss stuff is a mess. I'm thinking about, instead of gluing it, I'm thinking about going and getting some straight pins because I feel like that might be easier to really get it to stick down the way I want, and then I might do like some adhesive stuff so this stuff doesn't keep falling everywhere. I set down on my planter one of these big like styrofoam blocks, and then I have this eucalyptus garland, and I'm wrapping it around almost like it's a wreath, so that way it kind of sits there. Then I'm gonna take my little topiary and set it here. And instead of doing bunny ears on mine, look at these beautiful butterflies that I found with the little pick. That's really cute. But now I'm kind of sad that nothing's up there. I'm over here trying all kinds of things. I went ahead and I put bunny ears on. I put the butterfly down here. I don't like it. I really don't like it. I don't know what to do. This did not, I don't know what my problem is. We might not be doing this. If you like it, here's a great idea. I don't know what my deal. I love the butterflies. I feel like I want something else here with the butterfly. I think part of the problem is this green and this green don't go together. Oh my goodness. Well, new plan. And I was going to, when I originally was going to do the bunny ears, I was going to put the moss. So it wouldn't be this, by the way, these are $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And so I was going to moss them also so it wasn't this white fluffy. But before I even put in all that work, I just don't love it. I love the butterfly. I mean, and I don't know what I want to do. Even if I add a ribbon, I don't think I'm going to love it. No. So I took away the planter and I put the butterfly on top. I have a purple one and I have that yellow one. And then I do have candles that go in here. And then I also have these bunnies. Everybody's seen these. But we did this a couple years ago and I really didn't want bunny stuff. Let's look at it. See what's gonna look the best. All right. So here's just a candle in it with a butterfly and a little bit of greenery. I like the lantern. I don't even have the tag off the bunny yet. Let's just see. Put the bunny in there. And then maybe we do the bunny while it's spring. And then when summer comes around, we could just switch to the candle. And then that way we don't have to like switch the whole front porch. Okay, you have to vote down below which one looks the best in there. Because I really don't know. And then of course I still have this over here. Trying to make my mind, do I want to go with that? Yeah. So if we're gonna do a farmer's market, I'm thinking of cute food. So I have these cute little wooden crates that I got on Amazon. And we're just gonna put this down in there. And look at this, this is faux bread. Is that not the cutest thing ever? We're just gonna line our little basket. A croissant. How cute is that? And then I did a crate full of pears and I did one full of lemons. Oh, and then I'm just gonna stack that over here and then I'll rearrange this here in a second. Hi, is this not the cutest rooster? This is adorable. And so we have our pig over there, we have our rooster over here. I did not put the bunnies, I went with the candles. I have one bunny and she's going over there a little bit further. I just don't want a lot of bunnies this year. I'm just kind of over it. And I don't know, when I think of farmer's market, I just don't think of bunnies. I don't know. So let me get this arranged and then this little area will be done and we'll go over there and get some pillows and put our cute little bunny over there. I kind of want to put this little egg carton down in here. The most adorable little bow. She's gonna sit right here. And then, I was dusting down my furniture. It needs a good scrubbing. I found these adorable little farmer's market throw pillow covers. My goodness, it's getting windy out here. This one has a cow on it and this one has a sheep on it. So the cool part about it is it came as a pack of 4, but the other one had a pig on it and a rooster on it. Well, we already have a pig and a rooster, so I thought we would do the sheep and the cow. All right, you know how right here we have the little sign that says be kind? I put this little thing here and we're gonna make a cute little thing with this little beehive that I have just kind of as a little entryway thing. Let me show you what I'm thinking. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this little riser in here and you'll see why in a minute. But then that way it kind of elevates my little beehive up to where you can actually see it. And then I could maybe take this grass and bring it out from underneath. Oof, I don't know. Let's see. Like under the riser. Oh yeah, like that. Maybe one on the other side. Okay, and then I have a couple other things. I have little welcome beads. I thought maybe we could put those there. I don't know. Yeah, that might be cute. And then maybe some little grass. Okay, yeah, that's cute. I like that. I think it needs this little bird right here. Oh, that's so pretty. Me and Wilbur over here sure hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, we're doing a little DIY. I'm putting a hole in this, and then I have a little pole here with a pool noodle, and we're gonna make ourselves a pretty little tree. Okay, so this will just go down in here, and then the pool noodle goes over top, and then I'm going to spray paint this, and we're gonna make this brown, and then I'm just gonna get flowers to all come out of it, and that's gonna do the back corner that's over here and just kind of fill it in and just look super springy and cute. I saw one of these at the store and they were $500. Oh, look at that handsome guy. He's gonna help me make this tree look all kind of rigidy. So we're just gonna kind of like melt this a little bit. I hope we don't ruin it. Ooh, be easy. I just don't want it to look like a straight pole. Give it a little texture.